Have you ever had it happen where the upper thread on your sewing machine just keeps breaking? It might break some of the time, but not all of the time. That happened to me a couple of years ago. I was making these wonderful baskets. I made great big ones for family for Christmas. And when I was going around here with the zigzag, I'd be going along and the upper thread would break. That kept happening over and over again, and it was tearing my hair out till I finally realized what was going on. Let me share it with you. It's really miraculous what happens with every single stitch as the sewing machine works. As that thread goes down and comes back up, if there is a rough spot here on the throat plate of your sewing machine, can you see right here? How do you suppose those happened in the first place? Well, tugging, going through lots of layers, as you feed the fabric through, pushing, pulling too much, deflecting the needle so that it hits the throat plate. You know, when two pieces of metal meet, one's going to lose. Well, in this case, the throat plate lost. That's what was wrong. This roughness here on the throat plate was breaking the thread of my sewing machine. And that was happening on my big guy over here, my mucho money expensive Brother Quattro machine. I would come to my little Sparrow and it worked just fine. But then when I stopped and compared, I noticed that I had these kinds of abrasions here on my throat plate on my big guy. I could come to the little $300 Eversewn Sparrow 20 and it worked just fine. It was a mystery to me until I figured out that it was the roughness on the throat plate. I even now carry in stock the new throat plate for this machine, which is just $24. You can contact me at londas-sewing.com with your machine, make, and model, and I'll bet you I can get you a really good price on exactly the new throat plate for your machine. So go check out and see if your throat plate is in good condition or not.